In this video, you will learn how to activate the Netspend card without ID, locate your Netspend card, ensure you have your physical prepaid card ready, along with any instructions including the card packaging. Visit the Netspend website or open the app, go to the official Netspend activation page, or launch the mobile app to start the full process. Enter card details, provide your 16-digit card number, expiration date and CVV number from the back of your card. Use alternative verification method. If you don't have a government ID, provide personal information such as your full name, date of birth, social security number and other verification methods that Netspend will allow. Set your PIN, choose a secure 4-digit PIN at the ATM and transaction. Confirm activation, submit your information and verify through email, phone or app prompt. Your card will be ready for use once approved. Now you know how to activate your Netspend card without ID. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.